This video is for Chapter 6, Section 6.2, Decimal Operations with Decimal Squares. We'll use decimal squares and we'll model addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with our decimal squares. We can use our blank decimal squares as part of our work. We start with addition, where we combine values. For example, 2/10 plus 8/10 is 10/10 or 1. I have that set up in the virtual manipulatives. 2/10 plus 8/10, and you see here I have the 1 square drawn as well. In question 1, we ask you to find pairs of red 10th decimal squares that add to 1, and green 100 squares, and yellow 1000 squares, and also to write the equalities that you find. In question 2, we talk about subtraction. We're using the comparison concept. How much more is this larger amount? So here we are comparing 0.65 and 0.4. So 65 hundredths minus 4 tenths or 40 hundredths. You see I have that set up here, 65 hundredths minus 4 tenths, which is of course 40 hundredths, and you see that I'm left with 0.25 or 25 hundredths. Subtraction is very straightforward here, and we ask you to do some subtraction with red and green decimal squares. Moving to products. Products are easiest to sketch by hand, and frequently we do this with our blank decimal squares. So this product is 6 times 14 hundredths. So you can see there's one set of 1400 squares, then another, and another, and another, 6 sets total. These blank 10 by 10 squares are the best way to draw this, but regular graph paper marked in 10 by 10 spots works as well. And we ask you to do a variety of these multiplication equations and pictures. Then we move to division. So here we have the quotient 45 hundredths divided by 3. Notice we're using the sharing concept. We want to put 45 hundredths into 3 piles. We're not subtracting off 3 at a time because of course 3 is larger than 0.45. Nor would it work to use 3 individual squares because that would be 0.45 divided by 0.03. So if we put this into 3 piles, we see that each pile has 15 squares, or 0.45 divided by 3 is 15 hundredths. And again, you'll want to sketch this on your 10 by 10 grids. And then we have a variety of division questions for you to work out using your decimal squares. That's it for Math Activity 6.2. I hope you have fun thinking about decimal operations and working with your decimal squares.